In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee to Shopify and manage their permissions so they don't take over your store. Whether you're bringing on a new team member or just need some help with day-to-day operations, knowing how to add users and adjust their permissions properly is crucial for maintaining control and security over your store. So let's dive right into it, starting from the Shopify dashboard. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings. This is where all your store's configurations begin, including user management. You can find the settings by looking for the gear icon, typically located in the bottom corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to a new menu with a variety of options for customizing your store. Once you're in the settings, you will see a section labeled Users. Click on that and it will bring up the Users and Permissions interface. Now, it's important to note that if your Shopify account is currently on a free trial, you might encounter some limitations in what you can access and manage. However, these steps remain applicable and will guide you through the process once you have full access. So, even if you're on a trial, you can follow along to get a feel for how it all works. Next, you'll want to add users or staff by selecting the aptly named option. This is usually found prominently on this page. Once clicked, a prompt will appear asking you to enter details about the new team member you're adding. Be sure to fill this in accurately, including their name and email address, as this will be crucial for their login credentials and communication. An important step here is customizing the permissions for this new user. Shopify allows you to specify what parts of the store this person can access and manage. This step is critical because it helps you maintain the integrity of your store's operations while delegating tasks effectively. For example, if your new team member only needs access to manage inventory and fulfill orders, ensure that they do not have permissions to change store settings or access financial information. Always remember to double-check the selected permissions before saving. This ensures the new user has access only to what is necessary for their role. Once you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and complete the addition by following the final prompts. Shortly afterward, your new employee will receive notification via email asking them to set up their login credentials to access your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can bring on new staff while keeping your store secure and streamlined. Managing permissions not only keeps sensitive information in check, but also allows your team to work efficiently without the risk of accidental mishandling of your store's operations. Rest easy knowing you've set things up correctly, and feel free to revisit this process anytime you need to add more staff or change permissions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your growing Shopify team.